Hola! Today we're making a really refreshing and digestive drink, sorbete de limon, or lemon sherbet. We love to have it after a big meal in the summer. So let's get ready. I have all the ingredients on the table, you have them in the description. It's a very easy recipe. So first of all, I'm going to use this tiny little gadget to get some tiny little strips of the lemon peel. That was a bit tough, but in the end it's really worth it, because that's gonna give it extra punch, extra flavor to our drink, and also for decoration purposes. Later on, I'm very carefully slicing the lemon, because we're gonna put this again in our glasses to make them look extra cool. Now, I grabbed a freezing cold bottle of champagne, and to a bottle of champagne I'm going to use a tap of lemon ice cream. Now I'm going to add the skin, the peel of the lemon as well, to give it extra flavor. And now carefully I'm pouring the champagne. And I'm going to use a blender and give it some time, nice and slow. Do it in a couple of minutes or 3 till everything blends in together nicely. Now we're going to pour this in this very fancy bottle that we have for serving. We put some of these lemon peel drinks here. And later on, to make it look extra fancy, we're gonna put this slice of lemon. So our balcony is ready, and we're ready to enjoy our lovely lemon sherbet or sorbete de limon. You may use any type of champagne. In Spain we normally use cava, which is the local type of fizzy white wine. Now, it's the moment of truth. Let's taste it. Salud. Oh, that was delicious. So please help our channel by hitting like and subscribing, and see you later in the next one. Salud. Enjoy. Adios.